Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create map drive in server 2012 R2. Okay, and how to access that map drive created either on server 2012 R2 or Windows client machine, and how to access that. Okay, so let's begin the process. First of all, let me create one folder named uh, shared drive map. Let me give the name as shared drive and map. Okay, and let me place one file here, demo. This is demo of creating shared files, shared map drive, or you can say write only just creating map drive. Just click on save. Okay, now as you have seen in my previous video, we had already created the folder and shared it, access that shared folder from client machine. We have already done that. Okay, but in this we are doing the same thing. We are creating the shared file only, but we are mapping also that drive. See here, when you go to let me finish this, right click and select properties, click here sharing, and here you have to just make this path, copy paste that because we will need it. Okay, server DC user administrator desktop and shared drive map. Okay, now we are click on share. Now if you want some specific OU, organization unit, or specific user to see this file, then you can do it. Let's do that. Fine, but let's do it for everyone. That's fine. If you want to select, suppose I want only staff member. Okay, let's go to creating staff. Find. We have created one staff kind of thing, staff OU. Okay, you can do that here. You have to just write the exact name, that's all. If you write the exact name, it will find. Okay, for the time being we are sharing it for everyone, and we will make it read and write. Okay, so we are sharing it, give the share, and the name we have already copied, the file path. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Now till now what I did, you had already done it. I had already shown you this in previous video. Okay, one of the video in which we have created the shared folder. Now the thing we are going to do is bit different. For mapping drive we need to do this, and the further thing that I am going to show, that two things you have to do. Right click on it, go to sharing, and this time go to advanced sharing and click on share this folder. Okay, shared map drive, the name we have kept that default name, but if you want to change, you can change that. We can change it map drive. Share name is map drive. Okay, now here it is interesting, how many number of simultaneous user you want to access. By default it is too much, so we can keep it 10. So only 10 user can simultaneously access this folder. Okay, this shared drive. So we have given the name map drive. You can keep it default name also. What we do, we will keep it default name only. Share this folder, shared map drive, and 10 people. Okay, you can write the comment here. You can set the permission also here. We have given permission to everyone, and let us give full control to everyone. Okay, apply. Okay, if you want only staff members should access, then you have to give the restrictions accordingly. Okay, we have to create the OU. We have already created, and you follow the procedure that I had shown you previously. And here you have to click on apply and OK. Okay, This is the network path. So let's copy that also. Okay, shared drive map. See, it is same. Network path is this. Okay, now what we are going to do, close it. We have shared this folder. Now go to our client machine. Let me log in with Shaiju. College2@123. Now in this machine, Windows 10 client machine, I log in with the user Shaiju. I can log in with user Bhavin, Meg, Pratik, Smith that we have created. Okay, I can also use another staff name like we have created Jack. Then we have created Jack Ma and Jack and all other users also. Okay, so what we have to do right here, go and write here the shared location. Okay, so control, you can go it directly here also, start, and you can search here also. Okay, directly, or you can go to run command. Let me go to the run command and 2 times backslash and give the name of our server. What is the name of a server? Server 2012 DC. Okay, server 2012 DC is the name of our server. If we click on this, it will show all the shared folder. See, previously we did this. Okay, shared with staff. Okay, right now we want all the folders that are shared. See here, we have all done all this. We have shared the printer, we have shared this folder. Right now we are having a shared map drive. See here, you can see here, with this we have created right now only here. As you can see here, this is the folder. So this is the map drive. Okay, you can double click it and see we have created. I am accessing this file from client machine. Okay, which is created from server machine. Okay, you can change here if you want. I am client. Okay, with Shaiju user. You can write anything. Control as save. You can go to your server machine and check. See here, I have changed it from client machine and it is reflecting here also. Okay, now we have to create map drive. So go to the client machine. Okay, go to the client machine and we have to create map drive for this folder. Okay, so right click, map network drive, written here, it is written here. You have to do all this thing on Windows machine, remember. Okay, we usually don't do this map driving on server machine, we do on Windows machine. Click on map drive. See here, now it is showing the name of the drive that you want to keep. By default it is Z, let me keep it S. Okay, before that one more thing. If you see this PC, you will find C drive, D drive, E drive. You will not find S drive, okay, till now. But after doing this, you will find that drive also. So we have created the name as drive and this is our shared folder, as you know. Finish. Okay, now go to this PC, see here. You can see here map drive is created. Previously it was not there. So this is the map drive, network map drive. Okay, you can open it directly and you can do anything here. If you want to create new file, testing map drive. Okay, you can create that. Now go to our server machine. You can check that whether that is reflected here. See here, it is also reflected here. What is the difference between the previous shared folder video and this map drive? The only difference is we have created here entire drive. See here, In previous video, if you check, you will not get this. Okay, so students, this is how we create map drive in server 2012 R2 and access it from client machine. Now, suppose after some time you don't need this map drive. Okay, so how you can delete this map drive? I am going to show you that in the next step. So go to our client machine. We are already there. Okay, go to this PC. That means we are accessing our system drive. See, we have created this drive. C and D drive was already there. We have created this map drive on this client machine. Right click on it and click on disconnect. So click on that. Now see, the drive has been disconnected. Okay, but you can note that in server we will have that drive. Okay, but on our client machine, what we did, we have just deleted or disconnected that map drive. You can get the shared folder, okay, as we were doing it before. Server, okay, go to run command and then give the name. See, we are having the shared drive map here. You can access it from here, but we will not have a map drive. We have disconnected it. So this is how we create map drive in server 2012 and also disconnect it when we do not need it. Share this video with everyone. I hope all videos that I'm creating for network management administration subject is useful to you. If you are faculty watching this video, please share this video with your students, with all the colleges you know, so that every student can get benefited from my videos. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon in next video.